Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, the 1st of July. Now, taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see one main system which is impacting the weather across the country. That's this deep low pressure trough and vigorous, complex low pressure system we can see sitting off the east coast of New South Wales, bringing areas of heavy rain, damaging winds and large seas and swell to parts of the New South Wales coast. Now, we've issued a dedicated severe weather update video around this situation in the east, so you can find the details around those hazards and risks in our other video. Otherwise, across the country tomorrow, we're seeing cool and mostly settled conditions under the influence of this large high pressure system, although a couple of areas of low pressure in the southwest are bringing a few showers to parts of Western Australia. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's weather now, starting with Queensland. The slight chance of some morning frosts across southern and central inland parts of Queensland tomorrow, and then we are looking at sunny and settled conditions during the day. We are likely to see some stronger winds pushing across the southeast of the state, associated with that low pressure system a little bit further south. Particularly about the elevated parts of the far southeast, those winds could be particularly gusty and possibly damaging at times. For Brisbane tomorrow, we're heading for a windy, mostly sunny day and a top of 20 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, cloud, rain, strong winds and large waves are expected across the east, with the most intense impacts expected about the coastal fringe. Now, once again, you can find the details around that situation in our dedicated severe weather update video issued a little bit earlier today. Aside from those eastern districts, we are actually looking at mostly settled conditions across those inland parts of the state. Morning fogs and frosts for parts of central and southern Queensland, then a dry and mostly sunny day, with just a bit of cloud and few light showers about the slopes through central and southern parts of the state. For Sydney tomorrow, we are heading for rain and a windy day with a top of just 16 degrees. After a chilly start down in Canberra, we'll see a shower or two and a top of 12 degrees. Morning fogs and frosts across Victoria tomorrow, mainly inland, with a sunny and settled day to come for those northern parts of the state. It'll be a little bit cloudier in the south with a few light showers moving through. Those showers will be more widespread across Gippsland, particularly East Gippsland, through the later part of the day. For Melbourne though, we are looking at a possible shower or two and a top of 14 degrees. Down in Tasmania, the chance of morning fog and frost, and then a mostly sunny morning. We will see some cloud developing through the day across the east, with a few showers emerging as well, but rainfall totals will be fairly low to the end of tomorrow. For Hobart, we're looking at a partly cloudy top of 12 degrees. Across South Australia tomorrow, the chance of morning fog across the Eyre Peninsula and the southeast, with frost in store for other areas where the temperature drops very low. Otherwise, we're looking at mostly sunny conditions across South Australia tomorrow, with just the slight chance of a few light, patchy showers about the exposed coasts of the southeast. For Adelaide, we're heading for a partly cloudy to mostly sunny top of 15 degrees. In Western Australia tomorrow, we are likely to see partly cloudy conditions across the southwest land division and through much of the south. A few showers moving across the southwest land division as well, although with generally low rainfall totals, and they'll be impacting areas south of around Kalbarri or so. For Perth, we are heading for a shower or two and a top of 22 degrees. Further north, further inland, we are looking at sunny and mostly settled conditions for tomorrow. Across the Northern Territory tomorrow, it is Territory Day, and we are expecting cool, sunny and mostly settled conditions across the Northern Territory. We may see a few frosts across southern parts of the Territory tomorrow morning, with very low temperatures expected in Central Australia. It could be fairly breezy at times through central parts of the Territory, but otherwise we are expecting those sunny and settled conditions to persist throughout the day tomorrow. Darwin is heading for a sunny top of 30 degrees. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app, or via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.